Here's what you need to know about what is Radius. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network, plus exam. Let's get into it. Radius stands for Remote Authentication Dial-In User Service. It is the most widely used AAA protocol for authenticating users accessing a network through VPNs, Wi-Fi, and remote access services. Radius uses a client-server model where network devices forward authentication requests to a central Radius server. Key concept: client-server architecture. Network devices like VPN concentrators and wireless controllers act as Radius clients. They forward user credentials to the Radius server, which validates them against a user database like Active Directory and returns an accept or reject. Key concept: password encryption only. Radius encrypts only the user password in transit using MD5. The rest of the packet, username, attributes, and accounting data, is sent in clear text. This is a known limitation compared to TACACS+. Key concept: UDP Transport. Radius uses UDP port 1812 for authentication and authorization, and UDP port 1813 for accounting. UDP makes Radius lightweight and fast, but it does not guarantee packet delivery. Key concept: common use cases. Radius is used for Wi-Fi authentication with 802.1x, VPN authentication, dial-up remote access, and ISP subscriber authentication. Most enterprise wireless networks use Radius for centralized user authentication. Let's look at the full breakdown. Radius, protocol, UDP 1812-1813. Encrypts, password only. Use case, VPN, Wi-Fi, dial-up. Standard, open, RFC 2865. TACACS, plus, protocol, TCP 49. Encrypts, entire packet. Use case, device administration, standard, Cisco proprietary. Here's a real-world example. When an employee connects to the company Wi-Fi, their laptop sends credentials to the wireless access point. The AP, acting as a Radius client, forwards the request to the Radius server, which checks Active Directory. If the user exists and the password is correct, Radius returns an access accept message. The AP lets the user on the network. The whole process takes under 1 second. Quick recap before you go. 1. Radius =, remote authentication dial-in user service, central AAA protocol. 2. Client server. Network devices forward auth requests to the Radius server. 3. Encrypts only the password. Rest of packet is clear text. 4. UDP ports. 1812. Authentication, authorization. 1813. Accounting. 5. Used for Wi-Fi 802.1x, VPN, and remote access authentication. That's what is Radius covered. Exam tip: Radius UDP 1812-1813. Encrypts password only, combines authentication and authorization. TACACS plus TCP 49 encrypts everything, separates the 3 A's. Exam scenarios: Radius for user network access, TACACS plus for managing Cisco device configurations. Next up, what is TACACS+? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.